Good morning to everyone. My name is SQQM2033 and my match number is 2922718. Today I'm going to present about my individual assignment for the course Intermediate Calculus with the code SQQM2033. My present topic for this assignment is differential and integral calculus of function of several variables. Okay, it is actually important for this topic. Differential and integral calculus serve as a foundation for the higher branch of mathematics known as analysis. It has played a virtual role in modern physics as well as science and technology. Differential is a study of the rate of change of a dependent quantity with respect to a change in an independent quantity. To get the optimal solution, derivatives are used to find the maxima and minima value of a function. For the integral calculus, it is the study of the integrals and their properties. It is the process of evaluating the area under a curve or a function. On the other hand, differential calculus is used to determine if function is increasing or decreasing. There are several rules that are often used and seen in the question and practice of the calculus about the calculus, which are constant rule, power rule, product rule, quotient rule, and chain rule. Integral calculus is to find the area, volumes, and central points. There are also several laws and rules that are always been used, which are power rules, integration by parts, and substitution rule. As we can see on the screen, is the notation of the differential calculus for the partial derivative. This will be the notation of the integral calculus, which will be used for the question to solve the problem we often see in the calculus for two variables. As we can see, the last line, this is the notation that we will be used. Due to there are many theories and law that are contained in this topic, I will only choose two important topics which are often to use in the practices and examination, which are chain rule and average value. Okay, now I will present about chain rule. As we can see on the screen, this is the two variable chain rule that we will be used in solving the question. The highlighted part is the formula that we will often be used in solving the question. This is the example I will use to explain about the chain rule. As we can see, in this question, we will need to differentiate respect to x and differentiate respect to y. We will use chain rule in the first differentiation. As we can see, the formula of the chain rule will be used as d dx fg equal to d dg fg times d dx g. After solve this part by using the chain rule, we will sub the value the equation we found, and then we will move on to the next step. Next, we can see that when we solve the differentiate with respect to y, we will also use the chain rule at the second line of the solution. Next, I will talk about average value. For an integrable function of two variables defined on a bound region in the plane, the average value is the integer over the region divided by the area of the region. This can be visualized by thinking of the function as giving the height at the one instant of some water sloshing around in the tank whose vertical walls lie over the boundary of the region. The average height of the water in the tank can be found by letting the water settle down to a constant height. The height is then equal to the volume of water in the tank divided by the area of R. we are led to define the average value of an integrable function f over the region R to be the formula we show below. Average value of f over R equal to 1 over area of R, and then this will be the solution. This will be the formula we use in finding the average value. This is the example which about the application of the question for average value. As shown on the screen, we will need to find the average value of fxy equal to x cos xy over the rectangle. We will solve the question by the step they are showing on the screen. By using the formula we showed just now, we will get the answer at the end. Conclusion. The application of calculus can be observed in various fields such as physical science, engineering, statistics, economics, medicine, computer science, and more. The use of calculus are based on the field, whatever we structure the problems in mathematical models and optimal solution. Hence, we should learn about the calculus in case to have better achievement in our life. That's all. Thank you.